Dear children, let us discuss another sports career in sports industry. Careers are also available in sports industry. A person who wants a career in sports industry must have the knowledge of physical education and sports. One may establish a sports industry at a small scale. It may be related to only t-shirts and track suits. It may be related to only sports footwears. The knowledge of research and beginning is also vital for such jobs because new types of sports equipments and new types of track suits or swimsuits which are beneficial for engaging the performance of sports persons are always in demand. For example, in yesteryears, loose shorts were used by sprinters, but now they prefer skin tight shorts because these shorts have less air resistance and keep the sprinters active and agile. Sports software engineer. Career options are available as sports software engineer. A sports software engineer is a part of the game creation process, including architectural design, debugging, and working on complex problems with designers, artists, and other engineers, etc. He has the responsibilities both and approve technical plans and designs. And he has the responsibility to review system also. He creates leading edge reusable technologies. He also creates tools, features, and engines components to required coding standards. A sports software engineer is required to have bachelor's degree in computer science, experience of 5 years with C and NET recommended. Additional skills may be master or PhD degree in computer science. Conclusion. Many career options have been discussed in this chapter, but still there are many careers in the field of physical education which can be created. As a matter of fact, career opportunities in the field of physical education are limited only by one's imagination. Limbert points out that one definition of physical education can serve to limit or expand one's horizons. If we define physical education only as the teaching of sports, dance, and exercise in public schools, it can limit the opportunities. On the other hand, if we define physical education as the art and science of human movement, it can open a number of careers before us. Various careers can be created in the field of physical education, such as sports biomechanics, sports medicine, sports nutrition, sports sociology, sports psychology, sports history, and motor learning, etc. Now let us discuss important institutions of physical education in India. NSNIS, Netaji Subhas National Institute of Sports. As a result of declining standard as well as performance of India in Olympic Games, an ad hoc inquiry committee was conducted in 1958. The committee recommended the National Institute of Sports and consequently consequently on the proposal of All India Council of Sports, Government of India established National Institute of Sports in March 1961. Dr. A.L. Sri Mali inaugurated the Sports Institute on May 7, 1961 at Patiala. On January 23, 1973, it was renamed Netaji Subhas National Institute of Sports, NSNIS. 1 year diploma was started for various games such as hockey, football, volleyball, athletics, wrestling, gymnastics, basketball, tennis, and badminton in Sports Institute. Afterwards, provision of coaching was started for another games also. A 6 months considered diploma course, 6-week certificate course in sports coaching were also started. A refresher course for in-service personnel was also started. A 2 years postgraduate master's course, MS, was also introduced from July 1979 by this institution. A postgraduate diploma course in sports medicine was also introduced in NSNIS Patiala. Aims and objectives of the National Institute of Sports. The main aims of National Institute of Sports are mentioned below: to prepare coaches for specific training of different sports, to raise the technical standard of coaches, to make available the latest knowledge in the field of sports, to impart proper training to the sports persons participating in international competitions, to organize competitions and seminars in the field of sports, to give scholarships and sports persons so that they could be inspired to our sports more and more, to give help to Nehru Yuvak Kendras for the promotion of sports and games, to provide technical knowledge to the industrialists involved in making sports equipments for preparing modern sports equipments, to organize the orientation course for the teachers of physical education, to help the research work in the field of sports, to get published the various magazines for promotion of sports, to prepare the coaches of other countries of Asia. Now, SAI, Sports Authority of India. Sports Authority of India, SAI, is a recognized society set up by the Government of India in January 1984. Government of India established Sports Authority of India for promotion of sports, exploration of sports talent in young age and nutrition, organizing sports competitions, providing facilities, utilizing talent in young age and nutrition, providing facilities, utilizing stadiums and for maintaining them in appropriate conditions. At present juncture, it has 7 regional centers at Bangalore, Bhopal, Gandhinagar, Kolkata, Sonpat, Delhi, Mumbai and Imphal, and 2 sub-centers at Guwahati and Aurangabad. Netaji Subhash National Institute of Sports, Patiala, the Lakshmi National College of Physical Education and Thiruvananthapuram are major sports institutes run by Sports Authority of India. In fact, these are its academic institutes. It also has a high altitude training centers at Silaro in Himachal Pradesh. Sports Authority of India has made efforts to organize various schemes and programs. Sports Authority of India has kept young children in sports complexes and specific coaching is being provided to them. Sports Authority of India has prepared various schemes and as a result of that, sports and games can be promoted properly and there can be a gleam of hope to get medal at international sports competitions in future. Schemes of Sports Authority of India: exploration of sports talents and nutrition. There is no lack of sports talent in India. The only problem was that the talented sports persons were not explored at a young age. There are a number of sports talented children in rural areas in India who are never motivated towards sports and game. With the help of these schemes, Sports Authority of India explored such talented children and laid special attention to their coaching and nutrition. Proper education is also being imparted to them. As a result of its frantic efforts, such children may put medals in the lap of India in international competition in future. To provide sports scholarship, there is also a provision to give scholarship in sports persons according to their abilities by Sports Authority of India. Scholarships are provided on the basis of previous year's sports achievements of players. The information of such scholarship is given in main newspapers. A merit list of sports achievements at national level is prepared for giving scholarships. Organization of national sports talent competitions. Sports Authority of India organizes sports talent competitions at national level in which good talented sports persons are selected. National Physical Health Scheme. Under the National Physical Health Scheme, the attention is paid on the health care for all the people. Therefore, Sports Authority of India organizes national physical health function all over the country. Progress of indigenous games and martial arts. Under the scheme, Sports Authority of India has taken firm determination to popularize the indigenous games and martial arts. It is only due to this that these games are organized in northeastern states of India. As a result of that, these games still flourish there even today. As a result of the above mentioned schemes and programs related to physical education, we have not got that success which we would have got. Perhaps these schemes could not be implemented in appropriate manner. Therefore, the standard of sports in our country is not improving at a desirable level. However, Government of India along with state governments are putting prudent and frantic efforts to ameliorate the standard of sports. It is only due to that we are able to get some precious medals at Olympic levels. As a matter of fact, we have a long way to go ahead. Thank you. After this, now next lesson I will teach you.